Siaya Senator Oburu Oginga on Sunday hosted a meeting of a Jaramogi family amid internal tension within the ODM party. In an update, Hyala MP Winnie Odinga described the meeting as a moment of togetherness, emphasizing unity, reflection, and gratitude for family bonds. Today, the Jaramogi family came together in unity and reflection, graciously hosted by my uncle, Dr. Oburu Oginga Odinga, family, heritage, and purpose. Grateful for family moments like this. The meeting was attended by, among others, Kisumu women Rep. Ruth Odinga, Wenna Akinyi, and Rosemary Odinga. The meeting comes days after Winnie dismissed claims of her victory within the Odinga family, pushing back against claims that political disagreement inside the ODM party have spilled into personal conflict. In an interview on Tuesday, January 27, Winnie explained that no such conflicts exist and that political matters are deliberately kept out of family discussions. There is no family failed. If there was a family failed, Is would tell me that in public. He is a funny guy. We discuss household matters at home, but party matters are not to be discussed at home, she said. Winnie noted that Oburu fully supports her right to hold independent views and insisted that their relationship remains strong and unaffected by political debates. I believe Oburu would be the first person to defend my right to have different opinions. I love Dr. Oburu. He is my only dad. I don't know why this has become national news. Our family is tight. We have no problem at all, she added. Winnie also praised Oburu's role as acting party leader, describing him as a stabilizing force during a difficult transition period for the party. I think Dr. Oburu Oginga is a wonderful acting party leader in this transition period, and he would be a president in 2027. Please subscribe, share, comment, share the media. Thank you.